Alright guys, back at the pond. See if I can find any crappie here. Can't seem to find any at Spruce Run, so see if we have any better luck here. We got our first hookup here, guys. Alright. Got our first crappie. I'll take it. Nice. I'll take him. A little kiss. Thank you, buddy. Alright. I got that on the Bobby Garland. I got a little crappie nibble on there. Let's see if we get another one out here. Guys, got my another hookup. It's a pickle. Well, it was a pickle. I switched over to the gulp because I wasn't getting any action. Gulp minnows. Attracted a pickerel. Let's see if we can get on a crappie with him. Guys, we got here. This one a crappie? Oh yeah! Alright. That's the double rig there with the Gulp Alive minnow. Nice. Alright guys. It's crappie number 2. Well, this is a nice addition to the lower pond here. A lot safer than trying to go over those couple logs that were here. I decided to throw in the spinner here a little bit. See anything happening with that. Little pickerel. Take it. There we go. Oh, that was something nicer there, man. Son of a gun. Oh man. Oh man, that was a bummer. And here's another hook up on the spinner. Oh, we got a largie here, huh? All right. Nice. Now we're in the multi-species. Yeah, I just went back to the spinner. I was back on the bobber, the jig. Not getting much action, so. Well, so you will continue with the spinner. Get out of here. Well, another pickerel. Oh, pickle fest. Dude, is that a catfish? Oh my god, look at how dark that is. Wow. That is one dark largemouth. Down at the lower pond. Man, that thing is dark. Another pickle. This thing just jumped like 3 foot out of the water. That was pretty cool. Wish I would have got my camera on in time. Yeah, good old pickle fest. It's fine with me because catching fish. There's another one that hit me right at the bank. Must have been following me in. Ah, looks like they're eating good in here. Little chunker. What's up there, little guy? Hey, buddy. We got here another pickerel. Well, pickerel on, pickerel off. This little guy. Whoa. Get in there, buddy. Get in there. Yeah, another pickerel hit me right at go, boys. Yep. And another pickerel. Alright. And another little pickerel. That's on the 3 Meps. Well, looks like we got another largie here. Hit me right at the bank. Nice. Yeah, really light colored here. Yep. Hit me right at the bank there. Thank you.